Dear students, in this video you will learn about the different landforms of the earth. Earth is our home. We live on earth. It is round in shape and it is made up of land, air and water. There is more water than land on the earth. The land and water are not the same everywhere. They vary from place to place. There are many types of landforms on the earth. The flat and lowland is called a plain. Plains are good for growing crops and fruits. Most cities and towns are situated on the plains. A high piece of land with a pointed top is called a hill. A hill is made of hard rocks. People cannot grow crops on hills. A mountain is a very high hill. A mountain has many high peaks. These peaks are covered with snow. The flat land at the top of a mountain or a hill is called a plateau. Land of a plateau is mostly rocky. A plateau is also called the tableland. The lowland between two hills or mountains is called a valley. The land of the valley is good for growing crops. A big part of land covered with sand is called a desert. There is always a shortage of water in the desert. So, a desert has only few plants or animals. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. The weather of an island is very pleasant. A big part of land covered with a large number of trees is called a forest. The forest is the home of many wild animals. Water also has many features and there are different water bodies on earth. A small pool filled with water is called a pond. A pond usually dries in the summer. A wide channel through which water flows continuously is called a river. Rivers usually have their origin in the mountains. A large area of water surrounded by land on all sides is called a lake. People enjoy boating in a lake. A stream of water pouring down from a high hill is called a waterfall. Waterfalls are nature's beauty. A very big water body is called a sea. A sea is a large body of water. An ocean is a water body which is bigger than sea. The water of a sea and ocean is salty, so we cannot use it. There are 5 major oceans on the earth. Dear students, in this video you have learned that the earth is made up of land and water. The land and water are not the same everywhere. The main landforms are plains, hills, mountains, plateaus, valleys, islands and forests. The main water bodies are ponds, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, seas and oceans. Thank you and have a nice day.